Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the slip and slide tool in Adobe Premiere Pro. So these are two commonly overlooked tools, but they can save you a lot of time. So you can find them here in the sidebar. They occupy the same space and you can toggle between them by choosing their hotkeys, by pressing their hotkeys, which is Y for the slip tool and U for the slide tool. So let's start with the slip tool. So basically what it is, for example, we have a clip right here and then let's trim it down. Let's say there's a specific amount of time we need the clip to be. So let's say a few seconds and we want to change which portion of the video is being shown. So we can do that by using the slip tool. So if I hover over the clip and I drag the mouse around, you can see it changes the specific portion of the clip that is being shown, but it does not change the duration. So this is really useful if you have footage that you need to fine tune. Rather, you'd like to find the best part of the footage to fit in a specific duration, to fit in a specific spot in your timeline. Okay, so that's the slip tool. Pretty useful and a little underutilized. Now let's go over and talk about the slide tool. So conversely, the slide tool allows you to quickly move a clip up and down your timeline and automatically adjusts the other clips uh, based on how you move it. So for example, I drag this over my first clip in the timeline. So you can see that the shorter video split up the other video into two segments. If I select the slide tool and then I hover over the clip in the middle and then I hold left click and move it around, you can see it adjusts the timeline according to where I positioned the clip. So again, this is also really useful if you need to quickly adjust the timestamps of your clips real quick, and it saves a lot of time versus having to manually adjust the length of the segments individually, I mean to say. There you go. So again, that's the Y hotkey for the slip tool and the U hotkey for the slide tool. So again, I feel like these are two underutilized tools, but they can save you a lot of time while editing videos. So that's it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.